Hey guys, what is up? Melissa here. I left work a little early today. It's Friday, needed some mental health time. And what better way to have more positive mental health than finding deals at the thrift store? So that's where I am. I actually have a list today because I've been going a little crazy with the thrifting lately and don't want to spend too much money on too many things I don't need. So I do have a list in mind. It includes some very specific clothing items and home decor items. So I'm gonna go inside, see what I can find, try to stick to my list. Wish me luck. Been looking for like a denim high-waisted pencil skirts and things with buttons down the front. Winner. Hopefully this fits. How to feel or what to say. I feel like a runaway train and I don't know how to put this into words, so I'll just say it's like super weird. So I found this long linen double-breasted dress thing. I'm thinking I can wear it as like a duster vest or duster jacket. It's pretty cool. I like the buttons on it too. I find it hard to look you in the eye. It's not like I asked for this, but they say that everything heals with time, it heals with time. Oh, I know. This cat vest. I think it's like a scrub, maybe, or like something to go over your scrubs. It's kind of amazing. Just looking at the color of this. It's got some paneling and stuff down at the bottom. Trying to be incognito and this is hard. So out of all the things that I tried on, this was the only thing that worked. Sad face. I saw this guy back here. I don't really have a need for a lamp, but that one is really pretty. I seriously just accidentally spent 3 hours in Goodwill. Well, maybe it was like 2.5 hours, but I like looked down at the clock and was like, oh my god, it's 4. What is life and what am I doing with mine? I really didn't even get that much stuff. There's my bag. It's just one bag of stuff and I'm starving. I haven't eaten lunch. Actually, I didn't really even eat breakfast. I ate a Cliff Bar for breakfast, so I'm going to Laboo to get some carbs and some dill sauce, and once I'm done with that I will show you guys what I got because I need some food. I'm feeling a little hangry. Be right back. Okay, so Let's see, last time you saw me, I was getting Labu. I went and did that and then went into a food coma from all of the delicious bread. If you don't have Labu, I feel sad for you. But yes, I'm back as promised to show you this incredibly small and somewhat sad haul that took me 3 hours to find at Goodwill. So the portion of the video that has me trying on clothes, that's probably like an eighth of the actual amount of things that I tried on today that I just did not end up liking, that did not fit right, that had ended up having stains or something irregular about it. So that was kind of disappointing. But I did find a lot of really great home decor items that I've been searching for a while and having trouble finding. So let me show you what I got. This is actually what I was just talking about. I had, well, used to have 2 very dark green glass bowls like this. They're great for cereal and ice cream and basically anything that you want a lot of that's delicious. And one of the green ones broke, so I've been looking for other colors that I can sort of mix and match together in my kitchen. I just love the colored glass, and this was only 69 cents, so I took it home with me. The only clothing item that I found that actually worked out today is a cream colored like halter bralette thing. It looks brand new. I don't think it's ever been worn. Looks brand new, like it's never been worn or washed. There's no stains, there's no discoloring. And with a color like this, you would be able to tell, I feel like, if someone had worn it more than a couple times, because it just is in perfect condition. It has this really cool like strappy back to it, and the tag says French Affair. I feel like I need to Google that to figure out what it is, because it doesn't sound familiar. But this was the only clothing item from a 3 hour, maybe 2.5, almost 3 hour trip to Goodwill. Found a couple of really cool brass items today. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep both of them or gift one of them or keep both of them. First is this adorable little duck. I don't know. It's kind of heavy. It feels like it might be a paperweight. 69 cents though. Isn't he cute? The other brass item that I got is an elephant. I have a lot of elephants in my house. I currently have 3 within about 10 feet from where I'm sitting right now. So I'm not sure my house needs another elephant, but I don't have a brass elephant yet. And this one actually has marble or some kind of abalone shell or seashell or something in this. I mean, it's just so, and this guy was $4. I mean, that sounds like a lot, but he's heavy duty, and I mean, look at him. The next couple of items that I got are just a couple of baskets. I've been working on a basket wall, so anytime I go to Goodwill and see a basket that I think might fit well into the scheme of things, I will pick it up. So that's why I'll throw in a clip of that in here somewhere. Obviously that clip doesn't have these particular baskets in it yet. I still need to hang them up and situate them and figure out where I want them to go. But this one here was $2. Kind of cool. I've seen these a lot in the actual wall hanging, like photos of other people's wall hanging basket things. And this one was $1. I actually just noticed that there's Velcro glued to the outside, so that's kind of a bummer. Probably should have paid closer attention, but I liked the pattern on the inside, and hopefully once it's on the wall, you won't be able to see this. The last item of this haul was actually a pretty cool personal find. It's a melamine plate. It looks like it's just a souvenir plate, and it has the crests of the clans of Scotland. My heritage is Scottish. My ancestors are Scottish. So I thought this was pretty cool. It's not every day that you get to pick something up at the thrift store that has your family crest on it. So that's it for the haul. There wasn't a lot of stuff, not a lot of stuff worked out, but it doesn't always. So I do have a lot of clothing items from a previous trip to the thrift store last week that I will put into a haul. It has a lot of really great vintage items and a couple of on-trend items as well, so be on the lookout for that. I'm trying to become a little more consistent with my YouTube channel. If you like these videos, please be sure to subscribe below so I know to continue to make more content. I appreciate you guys and hope you have a great weekend. Bye.